Hey everyone, it's Matt Leicht, and today I wanted to share with you the one thing I think most homeowners have no idea about when they're doing their own home renovations, and it's probably the most important thing. So home renovations, we live in an era where everything around us seems to be getting renovated. HGTV has all of these shows, Flipper, Flop, Fixer Upper, and it really inspires us homeowners that we can do it and we can do it ourselves. And I think that is awesome. It is so great when somebody can take their own property and renovate it and really make it their own. But one thing that I want to share with you today really quick is something I think probably 9.9 out of 10 homeowners have no idea about, and that's the pulling of the permits. So yes, it can be cheaper to pull your own permits down at the county and do your own renovations. However, you sign an affidavit stating that you will not sell that property within 1 year after that permit is closed. And so if you pull a permit, you're going to put in new windows or a new front door, you can't sell that property within 1 year. So that is something that I would highly recommend doing the work yourself, but maybe hiring a contractor to pull those permits. That way, if a family circumstance changes and you need to sell that property, even if you weren't planning on it, you still can do it. And so what I'm going to drop below in the show notes is I'm going to drop below what that affidavit looks like. It's under Florida Statute 489.103, and that will be a link in there below the show notes. Well, I hope you really enjoyed this, and I hope you found this beneficial, and stay tuned and subscribe for more content just like this.